In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let me show you how to add a new photo album on this device. So first of all, you need to reach Photos and just click on plus icon. Here you will notice new album or new folder, so if you want to create a new album, just tap on new album. Let's enter the name. Tap on save. And now you can add photos to this album, so let me pick some of them. Tap on done. And from now on, as you can see here, you've got the hard reset album, and you can smoothly add photos here, obviously by tapping on plus. As you can see, it has been added, and also here you've got all your photos. And this is it. This is how you can create album in your Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.